Making money online fast is a goal many people have, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. While there are legitimate ways to make money online, most methods require time, effort, and dedication. Here are some potential avenues to explore. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a profile, showcase your work, and start bidding on relevant projects. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. Participating in online surveys, completing small tasks, or testing websites and apps can earn you some extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Clickworker offer these opportunities. 3. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services online. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy allow you to create and sell courses in your area of knowledge. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction, and promote products through your blog, website, or social media platforms. 5. Dropshipping or e-commerce. Start an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Find products to sell, set up your website, and handle customer orders. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without stocking inventory, as the supplier ships directly to the customer. 6. Content creation. Build a following on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok by creating engaging content. Once you have a substantial audience, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or crowdfunding. 7. Online investing. Engage in online trading or investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments. Be cautious, as this approach carries risks, and it's advisable to educate yourself and start with small amounts. Remember, success in any of these methods requires time, effort, and a learning curve. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes or opportunities that sound too good to be true. Building a sustainable online income typically takes persistence and consistent effort.